Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and I have got the fist hammer. And it is, well, it's a joke. And it's a joke because quite obviously it is a mace, a hammer, bec de corbin, call it what you want. But the point is, it is a fist holding a dagger. Now, this is not a one-off. This was copied from a piece in Hermann Historica maybe about 15 years ago, Hermann Historica being a very credible auction house. But you see exactly these sort of hammers in the works of Talhofer, you see them in sort of the Bohemian world bit. So it's not really so much of a Western European thing in the sense of France or England as an example. But as you go out towards Czechoslovakia, and going further east that direction, these things start to come into existence. 15th century, not sure if they go before or after that, but they are absolutely fearsome. So the thing is, it is absolutely a dispatching tool. It is not lightweight, it is not highly maneuverable, but it is the sort of thing that when something's been hit, it stays hit. It's very much that kind of weapon. So you've got a bronze fist here, and then the steel dagger itself passes through the fist and it goes into this pommel nut here, and there's pinned over at the top. Mounted on an ash shaft, which has been blacked up and beeswaxed, bonded and riveting into place. And it is a fantastic thing. Again, it's just one of those weapons that you cannot see it and not comment on it. It is such a notable object. It does not pass people by. And I mean that in the sense of when you're actually sort of displaying it and talking about it, and then I think probably rather evidently when you're actually using it as well. Obviously in a modern context, I don't suggest that. However, if you're lucky enough to be transported back in time 500 years, find yourself on a Bohemian battlefield, that's the thing you want. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you again.